Mastering Email Etiquette, CC and BCC Role-Play Scenarios. Hello, English learners. Today, we'll tackle a crucial aspect of professional communication, email etiquette, focusing particularly on CC and BCC. CC stands for carbon copy, while BCC means blind carbon copy. Knowing when and how to use these can elevate your email writing skills and show your respect for your recipient's privacy. Today, we're going to learn through role-play scenarios. Before diving into the role-play, let's first understand what CC and BCC are. CC is used when you want to involve someone else in the conversation but they are not the primary recipient. It's like saying, "Hey, you should know about this." BCC is used when you want to involve someone but keep their email address hidden. It's a great way to respect privacy and prevent reply all mishaps. Let's begin our first role play. Imagine you are an event organizer sending an email to all attendees. You'll need to use BCC in this scenario. This way, you can maintain everyone's privacy by not disclosing the email addresses of the attendees to everyone on the list. In your video, you can act out drafting this email, being careful to place all the email addresses in the BCC field. Imagine you're a project manager who needs to send an update to your team and also keep your supervisor informed. In this case, you'd use CC for your supervisor, showing that they are not the primary recipient but should be aware of the conversation. Act out this scenario, emphasizing the use of the CC field for the supervisor's email address. Suppose you're a customer service representative who received a complaint and you need to forward it to the concerned department, keeping your manager in the loop. You'd use the main to field for the department head and CC your manager. This shows who is expected to take action, the department head, and who is kept informed, your manager. Demonstrate this scenario, again emphasizing the use of the CC field for your manager's email address. Remember, using CC and BCC correctly is all about communication etiquette and respect for privacy. So the next time you're writing an email, think about who needs to see it, who needs to know about it, and who should remain anonymous. Thanks for watching. We hope this role-play activity helped make CC and BCC clearer for you. Keep practicing, and see you next time with more practical English usage skills.